To begin, lay out your fabric and fold it in half to your desired length. I had mine at 85 centimeters. Straighten out your fabric and then cut it out. Make sure it's cut into 2 pieces. Next, lay out your measuring tape and mark the center. My center was 74 centimeters. Then cut out the neckline. You want to cut the front of the neckline a little bit shorter than the back. Next, measure 10 centimeters for the shoulder. You can either tailor chalk it or put a pin. You will sew a straight line across there. This part is optional, but if you like a clean neckline, cut out a long piece of fabric and pin it onto the outside of your neckline. Alternatively, if you'd like to skip the step, you can just overlock the edges or roll hem it. It's up to you. Once you finish pinning, you can either straight stitch it or take it over to your serger and overlock the edges. I usually overlock the edges because it's more neat and it's a lot quicker and more reliable. This is the result after overlocking. Next, fold the fabric over and take it to your sewing machine and just do a simple straight stitch all around the neckline. As you can see, it leaves a nice neat finish on the neckline, but like I said, this is optional. You can just go ahead and hem it how you wish. After sewing your neckline, sew a straight stitch 10 centimeters long, just like we did on the other side of the shoulder. This too will also leave a nice clean finish on the sides of your sleeves. This might be a bit confusing, but you fold the fabric over and you sew that piece to the fabric it's touching. I demonstrate this in the next clip, and it's really easy if you just watch it closely. To make it a bit easier, I start from the bottom of the sleeve and I hem all the way up to the shoulder. As you can see, as I get closer, I sew that part down onto the fabric that it's touching, and it leaves a nice clean finish when it's sitting on your shoulders. This is the final look. You will do this to both sides of the sleeves. I am doing the other side of the shoulder, so just in case you want to have another look, I'm demonstrating how to do it at different angles. Now that we've completed the neckline and the shoulders, hem both pieces of fabric all around. Next, lay out your fabric. I measured 30 centimeters down where I wanted my armhole to be. Then I measured 50 centimeters across, marked the center, and pinned a straight line down on both sides. Now take the dress to the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch all the way down following those lines. Make sure to backstitch to secure the stitching. I also leave about 2 centimeters at the end just for flexibility. This is the final look. I did land up making the sleeve shorter. At the end of the video, I show a black dress that I made with longer sleeves, and both look really nice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think of this video.